we will now face the part. Select Toolpaths, and then select Face. We will use the defined stock, so we do not need to chain any geometry. Press OK. Select Tool, and select Library Tool. Select the 2-inch face mill and press OK. Enter the comment, face the part. Select Cut Parameters. Change stock to leave on floors to 0. And change the cutting method to zigzag. For move between cuts, set it to high-speed loops. Select linking parameters. Make sure clearance is 2 absolute. Retract is 0.25 absolute. Feed plane is 0.1 incremental. The top of stock is 0.125 absolute. And the depth is 0 absolute. The top of stock is set to 0.125 inches because in our setup to plane, we have the Z origin value set to 0.125 inches above the first setup origin. The depth is set to 0 inches because this is the depth of the finished part we want the tool to go to. Select Preview Toolpaths, and then hide the dialog. The toolpath should appear as shown. Press Escape. Press OK to generate the operation. Return to the Toolpaths Manager if necessary, and click on Simulator Options. For stock, click on Stock Model, and make sure it's set to Setup Number 1 Toolpaths. Make sure Fixtures is enabled. Disable Level 100, 101, and 102, and enable 1000. Then press OK. Backplot operation number 7. When backplot is finished, press OK. Make sure only operation number 7 is selected, and then click Verify. Because of the stock model, we do not need to verify operations 1 through 6. Run the simulation. Disable fixtures. And the part should appear as shown. Close the simulation window. Return your view to isometric and toggle the toolpath display off. Click on Setup Number 2 to make sure Setup Number 2 is selected, and that no operations from Setup Number 1 are selected. Right-click on Setup Number 2, edit selected operations, and change NC file name. Change it to Setup Number 2 and press OK. The NC file name should be changed for Setup Number 2, but not Setup Number 1. At this point, your file is ready to be posted. Therefore, you have finished this lesson and can move on to the next tutorial.